All right, so today I'm doing some brakes for one of my teammates, but I'm just gonna say customer states brakes make a grinding noise. Yeah, I would say so. I would say that they would, yeah. Fuck me. Yeah, those are pretty bad. So we got some new rotors for them. We're gonna get these new rotors slid on, new rotors, new pads. Sometimes it's an option. I don't recommend it, but sometimes it's an option to just throw pads on it. But with this, yeah, that's definitely not a fucking option at all. Oh my God. As you can tell by the debris, spent a while smacking the hell out of that thing for it to come off, and just finally went to go get a sludge. So yeah, we're gonna put some new brakes and rotors on his car and send him on his way.